Hey guys, this is the electric razor scooter that I made using a drill motor. So this is just normal plastic wheel razor scooter, and this is the 18-volt battery with a little motor from an electric drill, wireless one. Alright, this is the trigger. We really haven't figured out how to make the throttle yet because it's not really finished, but this is how we mounted the little motor on it. It's basically just some brackets and then friction drive here. Alright, so alright guys, that's the motorized scooter we're making. I have an update, maybe us riding it, maybe my little brother. Alright, thank you.